Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. Now that we know how do we convert our data structures into a list, today we're gonna talk about the difference between appending a list versus extending a list. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to a markdown and I enter a new line. So first of all, let's take a look at this string here. So we have the string here and each of the character has been converted as a single element within a list, right? So what can we do if we want this string here to be converted as a complete string that will only resides as one single element inside a list? So we can say E equal to, let's start off with an empty list and we're gonna insert our string within the empty list here. Alright, now let's take a look at the output of the new list that we have. So we have one complete string here that is occupying only a single element within a list here. Okay, now let's create a new list and let's insert 2 here. Alright, so we're gonna append these two lists here to form a new list. Alright, and right now if we want to append list F into list E, we're gonna use E dot append and then let's add in a parenthesis and we add in F here. Alright, now let's run this code here and let's display our list E. Alright, let's enter E here and let's run our code again, and right now we can see our list F has been appended into our list of E here. So right now we can see there is a nested list inside our original list here. Alright, so right now if we call the first element in the list, it will be the string welcome, right? So let's try it out. So now we can get welcome here, and right now if we want to get the string 2, let's change this to 1 and let's see what happens, right? So let's run this code here and we can get the second string but it's in a list, right? So if we want to get the string within a list, we're gonna add in a new square bracket to hit on the nested list itself. So I'm gonna add in a 0 here so that I can get the raw text without the list here, right? So let's run this code here and right now I can get the raw string that is inside our nested list here. Alright, so right now I'm gonna try to extend a new string here. Let's say Python. Okay, I'm gonna extend this new list here into our list E. Alright, so I'm gonna say E.extend G. Alright, and display our extended list E here. Alright, and right now we can see the extend function here did not append the whole list of G here into our original list, right? So we can see the extend here actually is appending the elements within the list into the original list here without having a nested list being created to the original list here. Alright, so I hope this clarifies the difference between append and extend, and in the next video we're gonna demo on how do we perform numeric operators into a numeric list. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video and I can't wait to see you in the next module. Thanks and bye bye.